Boom, boom, boom. What the fuck's in your hair? Mate, this is YouTube as well. Get wrecked. This is our whip for the day. Good morning, everybody. We're doing a little bit of a vlog today because we're doing something very special. I usually only keep things like this to Patreon, but I thought, you know, I'll put it on YouTube because it'll be nice to see, for everyone to see what I'm doing, and it'd be nice to give like a little bit of a sideshow of what videos go on Patreon. Another thing about having about Patreon is we're actually giving away free tickets to track car giveaways to patrons now. So if you're a higher tier patron, you'll be getting free tickets to the giveaways. That's something that we've been working on for the past month, and we finally managed to do that, which is buzzing. But we're in a Starlet, a Galanza, Galanza. Never even been in one of these, and it's 300 horsepower and it weighs 900 kilos. So I'm actually in this because we're picking up something, and I've been struggling all morning to get a lift. So thank you very much for Patrick to drive it to go and pick this car up. So this is the new whip that Jamie's got. I don't know if he wants to be on camera, but he's on it. Nice. This is a 1.5, Patrick was saying.
1.5 conversion, hybrid turbo, massive front mount.
Right, enough of all the shenanigans. We're starting why we picked the camera up today. We're here after a few funny little things out of the day. Is this going to be open or is it?
I'll open it now.
Open it here, right, okay. So, the main thing of the video, she's tucked away in the corner. Boom, 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 boom. What is that in the corner of the room, everybody? That is an Evo. Why are we coming collecting an Evo? Whoa. Because one of you guys are going to be winning this. This is going to be the new giveaway car, track car giveaways. We have got an Evo, we've been talking about it for a while, and this one's fucking great. The paint's amazing, and wait till you guys see underneath. I'm going to put some pictures underneath now of the underneath the car, like overlay, but yeah, we're going to have to try and get this out, which is going to be the difficult thing, because it's a bit squeezed in at the minute, as we can see. So let me just see if I remember how to do this immobilizer. I think it's that one. I think it's that one. There we go. So yes guys, I am in, see you later bro, I am in the new giveaway car. It is an Evo 8. It's nice to be inside an Evo. This one is lovely, lovely, lovely. When I seen the picture of the underneath, woo! Obviously I am an Evo boy and I know what they're fucking like underneath. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. I've actually been on a test drive in this and it is such an aggressive map. Like literally the gearing. Oh, it's that because I've just not been in an Evo in a while, but my god is it snappy, boys. Throttle cable is like really tight. So yeah, just need to do a few boring things and I'll pick the camera up soon. So here we go boys. This gets a lot of looks driving. How fucking, you can barely even look at it. It's like, oh, get fucking blind looking at it. Not so nice to be dailying an Evo. I've dailyed an Evo for a lot, and I mean, yeah, this is the same. This is like got a lot of like track mods on it, so it's really stiff and it's got really sticky tires. And it's got a really strong clutch. I'm gonna do a bit of a video with it. Obviously I'm gonna do it tomorrow because I want to look for all the paperwork. I've got tons of paperwork in here. I want to have a look through. I don't even know if it's 5 or 6 speed. Oh, so it's 5 speed. Yeah, it's good. The 5 speeds are so much stronger. Like 5 speed boxes cost like $1,000 to $2,000. So happy it's got the 5 speed. I'm gonna do a bit of a video on it tomorrow because I want to look through. The brakes are good, I don't know what pads are in it. So this is the thing, like I don't really know much about it. I know, I went to school with them. I'm gonna look through all the paperwork tonight and then continue this video tomorrow. Do a little bit of video on taking a drive, give you guys an experience of what it's like, even though you've seen hundreds of videos, but that's the thing with Evos. Every single Evo you get into, they're all completely different. This is what a lot of people who drive, like when you're getting like an M3 or whatever, they all feel the same. But Evos and same old Japanese cars, they're literally like a different car. It's like you're getting it, but I'm gonna go with the Halpers because in a minute it's got them silly fucking canvas-free LED blue side lights on the front, and I can see them like flickering a bit, so they're going. So we're gonna go with the Halpers, just get some normal bulbs. But woo, it's nice to be back in an Evo. Right, this is a UK model, but mine had Gammon speakers, but because it's a UK model. Woo!
Alright, let's make sure these lights are working. Good. Good, there we go. I'm thinking on the spot for Evo's.
Hello. Yeah, I'm here. I'm not sure if you can see me. I've decided to dress like Action Man, so it's not really a good joke, is it? Now we brought it out because this is actually going down to London tomorrow. The other boys are having this one, so it's not that often you get the chance to enjoy an Evo, and I've been enjoying quite a few Evos recently, so I'm gonna rinse the moment while it's there. So we got her here. We actually didn't take her out last night because I've not read through the paperwork. I spent all night reading through the paperwork. And guys, this has got some tasty bits, bro. Because obviously we all like looking through the receipts and that, and I seen a big receipt. I seen like a new one, like a new receipt. I was like, that's a new receipt. And I looked, it's like 4 pages. 6 grand in March. This March, like 4 months ago March, 6 grand on things. Most of it is, it's literally everything has been done underneath. Oh, let me show you. I'm not, obviously you've seen some of the pictures, but let me just try and get a good little boot shot underneath here, boys. Oh, look at all that goodness. It's literally had new suspension everywhere. Everything's been under seal coated. Look at all that, brand new arms, everything. It's some tasty shit, lads, I'm not gonna lie. And I looked and it's got like a billet flywheel and it has got some tasty stuff. So we're gonna come along, show you guys what the car's like. So obviously we are gonna be raffling this off. One of you guys are gonna have this. I'm not entirely sure how much for yet, but it's going to be cheap and you're lucky, lucky, lucky bastards. So these things today that I said were gammon. I think we're just going to keep it, and if someone likes it, they can literally just have it. If someone doesn't like it, then they can do whatever they want to do. There's no point in us wasting our time trying to, you know, tender to every single person. I would have just done them black personally, but I don't know. Somebody might like it. It might get one of the Bring Me Horizon boys might win. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but okay. So yeah, let's go and enjoy this car. I've got the GoPro with me. Have a little bit of food. Right, it's so busy. I'll have a few little nice drives and we'll talk about the car, talk about what is different about this one. And yeah, have a bit of a laugh. One thing I like about this is how aggressive it is. I kind of like this normal wings. Mine had wider wings on and I kind of felt like it made the rest of the car less aggressive. We got like the actual carbon side skirts, carbon diffuser, carbon canards. It's a really aggressive looking car. I was never really a huge fan of the yellow, but oh my god, like after seeing it like through reflections and other cars, and obviously I've been driving this since yesterday, it's not that long. It's absolutely stunning. Now one of the biggest things that I like about this one compared to mine is the headliner. It's like black suede. So much, and there's literally one of the first things I noticed when I got in here. Like the headline is so nice, better than the crap one that came in my Evo. Right, let's go for a drive. Oh hey guys. So the first thing to notice is this has got an ACT paddle clutch, which is like the yellow one. It was an option for me. I was going to go for that one or the XA twin plate. I just went with the twin plates. I didn't know what power I was going, etc. But these are good for about 450 horsepower. And they're a little bit lighter than the XA. They're a little bit more respectful when it comes to biting point. And I said the XA does not have a biting point whatsoever. This one is a kind of a nicer feel. Yeah, as I say, in the paperwork, £6,000 it was spent, and it was all basically just making the car perfect. Like loads of bushes, all new arms, all new front arms, coilovers, all under seal. Like it is going through so much. Load of diff work. So what's happened to the diff is the 3 lights are on the dash here. It's actually got an AYC delete. So obviously, you know, from the 6s above, they've got something called active yaw control, which is basically like I can't really explain it. Basically, it's like a fluid based traction control sort of limited slip kind of thing. The people, why you delete that is, one, they're a nightmare. As they get older and they just need so much maintenance, and when they break there's so much cost. And I actually was speaking to Dan who AMD. He was saying that he actually prefers them without it. He prefers them deleted because they're much rawer. It's kind of like you've got less help. Obviously they measure traction to each wheels and keep it all nice and planted and stuff. So Dan was saying that they're a lot more fun without the AYC. So this has actually got an AYC delete. I'll show you pictures. Like, it's all been done incredibly. The diff looks brand new. It's all been took out. Running, we've got a dyno print out of 350 horsepower. So it's very reliable in an Evo world. Obviously these engines you can with the standard 8 engine could push around 400 horsepower, 420, and then you start needing a little bit of head work. The head starts lifting, but the bottom ends are, you know, good for up into the 4s, late 4s. So this is 350, but this, like, it's fast. Like, the only time I can sense that it's a little bit slower than mine, because mine was just under 400, is at the top end. I don't have that much top end in this as I did my other one, but in terms of perkiness, like, this comes on boost so aggressive. like so aggressive. Like the torque. Obviously we've got R888s on, which are banging tyres, super sticky, super grippy. So you obviously get that thing where if you're just cruising, they literally pull you all over the road because they're such wide, grippy tyres. But you know, they do the job. Thing like when I hop in an Evo, because I know them so well and I know how to drive them, it gets very dangerous very quickly. And it scares the hell out of me driving it. Well, not necessarily me, but because I know them so well, I've got to be driving them absolutely ballistic just to, you know, get much adrenaline out of them. Because people cars, things with these cars are just rust, like mainly just rust on the strut towers, rust underneath, rust on the subframes, rust on the sills. Obviously there's literally none of that on this car, which is why I obviously with track car giveaways, we don't want to give away something which is, you know, going to cause issues to someone. So when you start getting to the Evos and stuff, it's like, oh, you know, because it's, you need to put some of them are a bit when I seen this and the underneath it, I was like, nah, we'll just get it. And obviously maintenance, you need to maintain this car as well. So whoever does get this car, you do need to realise that you need to put a lot into maintenance. Not necessarily isn't money. I used to spend about 50 quid on mine every few months, just to change the oil every 3,000 miles. That's the main thing. So if I'm looking for an Evo, I'm literally looking for rust, previous MOT on the rust, and as long as it's got oil changes, all the paperworks are just oil change, diff oil change, gearbox oil change. So I was so happy when, you know, when I actually had a look for that paperwork last night and had a proper look and seen everything like that. It just gives you so much confidence in the car. The thing I don't like about this one is the choice of blow-off valve. It's got the old style Bailey's blow-off valve, which I personally don't think sounds the best. So not my favourite sort of blow-off valve, but it's easily changeable. That's very nice to me.
I knew it was you.
How?
Oh, yellow Evo.
I'm gonna come back past it. I thought, what the fuck's in your hair? Mate, this is YouTube as well. Get wrecked. This isn't even a picture. What are you doing? What do you mean?
It's their fault.
Right, there we go, boys. I'm not going to do a whole review. I've already done a review on 2 Evos on my channel. I just wanted to show you the car. Been a little bit more of a vloggy sort of thing, to be fair. So usually things like this would end up on Patreon. So if you ever think about Patreon, heading over. Obviously we're getting free tickets now, so we're getting a free ticket every month to give away of your choice. So obviously if you're a Patreon, you'll be able to get a free ticket for this. So banging deal, working out for about a week now. So yeah, that's sick. This is getting trailered down to London tomorrow. So I guess I'll pick up the video in the morning. Pick up the video in the morning and we'll say goodbye to, well, we've not named it yet, but that'll be your guys' choice. We need to name it. So guys, it's the morning. My guy's here to collect the Evo. I've got the paperwork here. Look how beautiful it is. So I'm going to drive it round to him, around there. Sorry neighbours. Sorry everybody, sorry guys, sorry! Right, so we have trouble putting it on that loader. It wasn't low enough, so they're going to swap loaders. That means they can only come in the afternoon. So that's shit. It's a bit annoying because obviously we did say it was an Evo and they sent the one which wasn't low. So obviously that's not his fault though, he's just doing his job. So whoever's in charge of that maybe needs to rethink for next time about which ones to send. But yeah, that's annoying. That's really fucked up my day. But what can you do, boy? It's not his fault, and you know, just gotta get on with life. Things happen, just get on with it and try to make the best out of it. So I've still got the Evo for a few more hours.